Hey everybody. This is going to be a quick video. All we're going to do is take these scope boxes as you see, and we're going to copy them into a new project. So scope boxes are generally used to split up a building, and then from there you can set up sheets with it and whatnot. And it's a nice way to organize the information. And sometimes you may start a project in one model and need to transfer things over into another. Scope boxes are really easy to copy over, or what you need to do is maybe copy these over into the other discipline model. So maybe in your firm, you have your projects split up into multiple disciplines. So you may have an architectural model, you may have a MEP, and then a structural model. And you may even have those MEPs split up into individual disciplines like mechanical, electrical, process piping, plumbing, and whatnot. So it's really easy to do, and all we have to do is just grab the elements and just make sure that the other model is open. And with that other model open, we can jump over. Or actually, before we do that, let's just make sure to copy those elements. And you'll just do a Control C. So just do a Control C, because if you simply you can do a Control C, or if you simply grab them and come up here, you can click copy to clipboard as well. Jump over to this other project. You can see there's no scope boxes here. And we won't want to paste it because it'll force us to pick a point. So we'll come up here and make sure you're on the Modify tab. And we'll do paste, and we can do, align to selected levels, align to current view, and also align to the pick level, and then paste from clipboard. For this example, what we're going to do is just align to the current view, which should drop it exactly where we need it. Now, in these scope box examples, we have 3 scope boxes. 2 of them are supposed to be for the level 1, and the third one is for the for 2 levels, because part of the wing is multiple stories. So you can see it pasted it in here. It went exactly where it was supposed to go. And from here, you can kind of start working on it. Or if you've already started, an architectural, an MEP model, or structural model, now you have those scope boxes in there. And they're also will inherit the name that they had in the original one that you copied it from. So you can see here, area B, click on this. This will be area A, and this one will be area C. So there you go, pretty quick video, but if you didn't know that you could copy scope boxes over, it's really easy to do, and it'll help you out a lot if you're using them from one project to another, or in the same project essentially, and having multiple discipline models. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one.